Look at the search volume, 225,000 results. This one is 156,000, 113,000, 84,000 results. This is the search volume for people who are actually searching for these keywords. What you need to do is to make t-shirt designs for these keywords, and you should definitely make some sales. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Today's video, I will be giving you unlimited niches, where to find unlimited niches for your print-on-demand business. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The tool that I'm going to be searching for these unlimited niches is called Merge Informer. Now, I've spoken about Merge Informer in the past, but this video will be a little bit different because I'm going to be focusing on the features that they just released, which is the niche hunter and trending phrases. I've spoken about these other features before, but I'm just going to focus on these two. I'm focusing on these two because they are game changer. They're going to show you the niches that people are searching for, including the top designs that people have been buying. So all you need to do is to look at the keywords, look at the trending designs, and make a design similar or better than those designs. So we're gonna go into the niche hunter. I was already doing some research before I started recording this video. So what I did was just click on niche hunter and it will bring you to a page similar to this. So what you want to do is click on this category. You can search on the shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, pop sockets. But for this video, we're just going to stick to the shirts. And when you're done clicking the category, click search. So what it's going to do is it's going to pull up all the trending keywords as well as the trending t-shirts related with those keywords. So what you want to do is to scroll down and take a look at the keywords. If you want to change the search volume from low to high, just click on this. This is going to be the list search volume that people are searching for, and these are the t-shirts. But obviously we're looking for high search volume, so we're going to click it back to high search volume. And all of these keywords, you need to be careful with them because some of them are trademark, like this Kobe Bryant shirt. This is obviously trademark. And if you're not sure what is trademark, just go to search for trademark search, and it's going to bring you to the trademark database. This is for the US. So if you're searching for a trademark for another country, you're going to use the appropriate trademark. You're going to use the appropriate trademark search tool. So just go to search trademark database, go to basic word search, then put in your words. So for example, we're going to go to Kobe Bryant shirt and just copy that, take it back to the trademark, and we're going to post. Make sure to remove the shirt from there, then click enter. And you obviously see that Kobe Bryant is live, is trademark. So be careful with these keywords. Some of them are trademark. For example, movies, anything movies, celebrities, and all the likes are all trademark. So Stranger Things should be trademark. So that's how you that's how you find unlimited niches for all these categories. You can find unlimited niches for shirts, unlimited niches for hoodies, sweatshirts, pop sockets. So the next thing I'm going to show you is the trending phrases. This search feature, I also like it because although for the niche hunter it shows you your search, it shows you your trending searches or the niches for that week. But the difference with the trending phrases is that you can narrow it down, or you can narrow your search to a day, a single day. I'm recording today, which is February 5th, and you just click February 5th and click search. We're going to be searching for trending phrases today, February 5th. So I'm just going to scroll down and you can see this is the UK, the US, the UK, and Germany. So I'm in the US. I'm going to stick with the US for now. And you can search, you can see the trending phrases for 1 word, 2 words, 3 words, 4 words. I'll always go with 4 words because 4 words are similar to what someone is going to type into the search bar. A customer is going to type into the search bar. So take for example, this one is pop grip, swappable grip 4. swappable group for phones. This is actually a full sentence, a full search term. Just a girl who. So our happy 100 day, we're going to click on that. That should obviously be on a t-shirt or something, but let's take a look at it. So there you go. Look at this. So once you click on the keyword, it's going to bring you to another page which shows you results about that keyword. So these are the top trending t-shirt designs with that keyword. The keyword was happy 100 day off. So when you click it, and these are words that people are actually searching for right now, today the 5th. So if you want to make a t-shirt which is related to any of these words which people are searching for, you definitely have a shot at making sales today. But you have to make sure that your t-shirt designs are great, and that is why I'll recommend that you see the t-shirt designs that are trending so you can make something which is similar to that or better than that. So you just want to keep scrolling. You're going to see the price, estimated price, BSR, reviews, and all the like. And if you want to do extra research, you just click on the title here and it's going to take you back to Amazon and show you the t-shirt on Amazon itself. So that is how it's easy to find unlimited niches for print on demand using Merch Informer. Now for Merch Informer, I'll start with Merch Informer, $99 per month. Or you could go the professional route, which is $59.99. This $59.99 route, it gives you access to single upload interface automation, which is uploading all your designs to all the print on demand platforms. So if you don't have an automation tool yet, you can go the professional route. So you can start for free. You can use the link in the description and you can use my code Make Money Online for a 20% discount, both for the newbie and the professional. So take a look at these two plans and make your choice. The differences between the two, like I said before, if you have an automation tool, I'll recommend that you go with the professional route. Or if you just want to test the waters, see how the Merch Informer Niche Hunter tool works, you can definitely start with the newbie. But both plans you can start for free just to see how all of these tools work. So this is definitely game changer, the niche hunter and the trending phrases. I will encourage you to try both of them. You can start for free, of course, and I know you definitely like it because I find it very helpful, especially for print on demand sellers like us. So that is it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to learn more about print on demand KDP, this is a channel for you. Just hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.